How to fix WeChat app problems. So if you want to fix the WeChat app issue, then what you need to do is first you need to simply check your internet connection. Once you check your internet connection, if it is not stable, then just switch to your mobile data or your Wi-Fi, whichever you're using right now. And after that, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to go with your Play Store. And if you're using iOS device, you can go with your App Store. Go with search. Under search, you can search for WeChat. And if you have any updates under your WeChat, then you just need to simply go with update and update your application. Once you update it, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is just remove that. Tap and press on that application. Go with the app info. Tap on storage and cache, and then go with clear cache and also clear storage. Once you've done, you need to go back and again open up your WeChat and your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then just go and restart your device. Press and hold on to that power button, restart, and after restarting, your problem might be fixed. Or the last thing you can do is just go and uninstall the application and again install it from your App Store or your Play Store. Just tap on app data cannot be recovered after deletion. Tap on uninstall, and once you've uninstalled, go with your App Store again or your Play Store. Go with search and search for WeChat and again install the application and it may fix your problem. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.